is on deck. Shit is on deck. La 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 la. Shit is on deck. Oh shit. I was supposed to record.
Dude, do you know what just happened? I fucking erased it.
Gangsta rap, 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 gangsta rap.
Yeah, my pops knocked me out. No shit, straight socked me out. Dropped the smooth jewel on the school before I dropped out. Getting drunk at Rob's house, wondering how to make it without graduation. Without packing and banging, cats banging girls in the bathroom after school. Stupid me ditched that PE and thought I was cool. Doing tapes after doing capes, jacking CDs. Acting like we were a threat to the actual PDs. Ganking gats, slanging crack, smoking blunts and such. Asking me what did I eat, I'm trying to fuck for lunch. She wasn't having it. Hopped at the fence to get a stab at it. Making Ross's gear disappear like a magic trick. Half the bitches knew he wasn't killing no niggas, so half the bitches really wasn't feeling my niggas. They played
Gangsta rap, 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 gangsta rap,
gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap, gangsta rap.
I heard him say it, they say nobody would play it. Tell that to Dre, Jimmy Iovine, and Clive David, don't hate it. Freedom of speech is violated. Politics and rap music is not related. Don't ask me shit, cause I'ma plead the fifth. And I'ma hit this spliff and sip this fifth and kiss my kids and fill my fridge. Yeah, you know what it is, I'm just real like this. Pen and pad artist with the ill ideas. Yeah, it's been like this for years. Rap general, 92 gun salute. Thoughts move to the mind like I run the jewels. Drop gems, uplift like a gospel hymn. Illuminate, shine light on the times we in. Gangsta rap, 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 gangsta rap.
Scholar Rock with 21,000 shots to pop cops. Hip hop and not big pop and Pac try to stop, but no one can do it better. Call Doc and Doc. Lippin' blue, nigga, rip your crew when we do what we do, like what we do. Run your shoes, fuck the blues, nigga, fuck with blue. Tuck the tool, and bust the jewel at him, cause you still a man. Trust the guards knew Adam, I was Dapper Dan. Never after any fashion brands, Pakistan. And the gap for the rapper man, cash in hand. Running through the shadowlands yet again. Renaissance like Method Man, F the man. That's my new name, Bruce Wayne, Luke Cage. Couldn't fuck with that new age.
Gangsta rap, 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 gangsta rap.